like the loudest cheer in the crowd came when you missed your first of 7 3-pointers. How good does this win feel for you guys?
I mean, it's big because we've been kind of like battling on the road all year and been losing kind of on the road, close ones. So we just came in the game with our mind focused on the game and tried to pull off the big win, and we did.
Yeah. Did you think it'd be this big? I mean, y'all kind of had your struggles with South lately, but
yeah, I know. I mean, we practice hard.
Yeah.
This week, getting ready for the conference game. So I mean, this is real big. I'm speechless right now.
Yeah. I know your stats line don't say a whole lot, but the last couple games you really turned it on. Did you just have to be patient or what?
I mean, I just get in the gym, shoot a little bit on my own.
Yeah.
You know, get back to working hard and just have faith on my shot.
All right.
Like the coach tonight anyway.
Had to
I just want to have a comment when they ask me questions.
just talk about the game. Did you really think y'all would come out here and win like this?
Oh, no. I mean, you know, South Alabama is a seasoned veteran team. 7 seniors have been in NCAA tournaments and have won the league. You know, it was not, we didn't expect to win like this. But I was proud of the fact that we really executed well. We shot the ball well. We shot free throws well. We hustled, made some hustle plays. We fought the boards against a team who I think is one of the top rebounding teams in the league. So for us, you know, it was a real complete game of basketball. We really played about as good as we could play.
Yeah, I know you've had a couple games this year where you've let some double-digit leads go. I mean, but y'all didn't tonight. Y'all just kind of kept pouring it on.
I think, you know, the beginning of the second half was going to determine if we were going to be able to maintain the way the high percentage shooting that we had from the first half, if we were going to still keep rebounding with them. And they started off, I think, with a couple baskets, if I'm not mistaken, at the beginning of the second half. But then we answered with a couple of baskets, and I think that helped our confidence that we could answer early in the second half. I think that was very important, not to wait to 8 or 9 minutes into the second half before we scored, but that we scored early in the second half and gained the confidence back that we had built up during the first half.